Hello, 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 and welcome to Learning Artisteer 101. Today we're going to start with Module 1. It's the Getting Started module. In this module, I'm going to show you how Artisteer work and the basic functions to get your site ready for design. There are two different versions of Artisteer, the Home and Academic version and the Standard version. In this course, we are going to use the Standard version, so please go purchase it at www.artisteer.com, download the application, purchase your license, and insert it. Just one quick note, the handbook will be available for purchase at www.learningartisteer101.co.za, so please go purchase the handbook there. Everything that's in the handbook will also be available on YouTube, or if you buy the handbook, there will be a DVD that comes with the handbook, so everything corresponds together nicely. So let's get started. So if you purchased Artisteer, this is the main screen when you load it up for the first time. You can see there's a blank option, and there's also some templates that you can use. With these templates, the stock photos in these templates come with Artisteer, so if you've got the standard license, all of the stock photos in Artisteer you can use for your websites. But in the purpose for this course, we are going to design literally our own templates. So we're not going to use one of these templates. So click on blank. We're just waiting for it to load up. Okay, cool. So it's loaded up. If you can see, it's literally a blank screen with, I don't know what language this is. I think it's Spanish. I'm not sure. So if the users can just tell me what language this is, this would be great. So let's see what Artisteer offers us. So this is your WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. So everything you type in here will be available, and you can see it when you save it or export it. Then you can actually see how your website will look to the users. So this is your WYSIWYG editor. There's your header, your site blocks, your vertical menu, and your content area, and your footer and footer notes. On the left side, you will see there's the page panel. The page panel, this is where you create your pages. Let's say tutorial page. And here's your blog. You can create a blog that corresponds with WordPress. There's your home and your posts. So, and also your control buttons where you can edit all your controls and change the colors from there. This area is your ribbon area. Your ribbon area is where you choose your styles. You can edit all the settings that comes in the editor. So if I click on this picture on the background, for example, it will change the background of the website. That's quite a nice background. Here's your sheet editor. You can change your sheet, put a texture image in, and see, we already got a nice looking website. Or you can just go if you got no inspiration at all. Normally what I do if I got no inspiration or the client doesn't give me a brief summary of what he wants, I just go to the suggestion, let's say for example the background, and just choose suggest background, and it will give me a background of what I can use, and then I can just tweak it from there. Let's say for example, okay, we got the corporate type of background, and the header, if I just choose suggest header, let's see what it comes up with. So it really gives you some inspiration what to do, and then you can just tweak it from there if you got nothing to do, or if you got no inspiration, and it really helps a lot. So if you look here in the right hand side, there's the marketplace, suggest mode, and responsive mode. Responsive mode, you can choose to use it for phone or tablet if you make mobile sites. The marketplace, if you open it up, this is where you can buy plugins and you can update your plugins. This is your export plugins. You can see there's also a PHP template, that's quite nice, and Weebly and Moodle theme, that's cool. So yeah, this is your WYSIWYG editor, your page panel, and your ribbon settings. There's your export button, undo, save, file, preview in browser. You can even develop your own template or plugins. So that's all for me from now. This is quite a short module. If you got any questions, email me at feedback@learningartisteer.co.za. And also remember, the handbook will be available soon, so please go purchase it at www.learningartisteer101.co.za. Next is module 2. This is going to be planning your website. So it's going to be a presentation. There I will talk things about like set your purpose and goals, create a budget, assign roles, create a content strategy, and all that kind of goodies. And then in module 3, we're actually going to start designing. So thank you. Please like and subscribe. For our YouTube viewers, if you got the DVD, thank you for purchasing it. And I presume you already got the handbooks with it. So enjoy everything. Thank you. See you soon.